What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So I'm doing something a little bit different today, and I'm heading to a mate's place and helping him work on his 328 convertible. His starter motor started making some weird noises and just stopped working, so I went and pulled out one off my parts car and I'm going to take it to him and we're going to try and fix it, see if we can put it on. So the one I got is off a 320, so I'm hoping it will fit on the 328. Not 100% sure, but we'll wait and see. Alright, so we already got the intake manifold off, and as you can see down there, that's the starter right there. Let me just focus the camera, and that's the bolt right there. So we're going to have to get from underneath a socket somehow to undo that. So we've already jacked the car up, and we're going to get underneath, drop the gearbox a little bit, and try and put an extension right down and under. Finally got the starter motor out, and as you can see, it is rooted. Alright, found the problem. It's just a little bit broken. So the only difference for these starter motors is the thickness. You can see on this one it's threaded down in there, and this one is a lot thinner and there's no thread. So what happens is it just pokes through a little bit, and we're just going to put a nut on the other side. So we're going to go down to Bunnings now and going to get that stuff. And of course, if you're Australian, you know what's up. So we got the new nuts. I think they're M10 with a 1.5 thread pitch, and they'll just bolt straight onto there, and we'll bolt in the new starter motor. The starter motor is in. You can see down in there, so get a good shot. We've got that bolt right there, and a nut on the other side. So that's what we had to do. So now we're just going to put all the intake manifold on and get this thing running. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you've ever done a BMW or like e36 starter motor ever, don't. It would have to be one of the hardest starter motors I've ever done to replace. So, but yeah, we got it done. Probably took us about 6 hours. Just had to take the intake manifold off, you've seen that. And yeah, so that's probably going to be it. So I'll see you in the next video.